Hello and a wonderful Sunday morning to you. I am Letitia Humphreys in with your weather update for today, Sunday, 3rd December 2023. Across our area, the British Virgin Islands, Anguilla and the Leeward Islands, high pressure is dominating our area at this time, and that fresh to moderate wind flow as a result of a relatively tight pressure gradient is producing some shallow cloud patches, moving them across the area, producing some showers from time to time. There's also a trough that is in the area of the British Virgin Islands and the US Virgin Islands. If we notice that spinning motion, that's indicative of a trough that is in that area and will provide some unsettled weather or some instability across that area for some unsettled weather later today. A broader picture across the area shows that high pressure system is dominating the entire Eastern Caribbean. Not much shower activity occurring across any of these islands at this time, except for those small cloud patches that are moving across from time to time, giving some brief showers. Nothing significant anticipated at this time, except maybe for Trinidad, where the intertropical convergence zone could bring a few heavier showers across that region. I want you to take a look at this low pressure system that is also in the Atlantic, and that low pressure system, I'm pointing out this low pressure system because that is going to be sending some swells into our area and will be impacting our coastlines, causing us to be issuing advisories over the next couple of days. So although it is quite a distance out, it will be sending some swells out of the northeast into our area. So I'll look at what to expect over the next couple of days across Antigua and Barbuda. There is a moderate chance of showers in the forecast as a result of that moderate to fresh wind flow. The breeze is generally going to be out of the east, shifting to the east-southeast by the time we get around to Wednesday, keeping the daytime highs in the low 30s and the overnight lows in the low 20s. The seas are going to be increasing from tonight, Sunday, and we will be issuing a high surf advisory as a result and going all the way as we get into Wednesday as well. Similar conditions across Anguilla. The sea heights a little bit lower, but also getting up. The swells are going to be getting up to around 6 feet across Anguilla and the British Virgin Islands, and 7 feet for Antigua, 6 feet also for St. Kitts and Nevis, but Montserrat, for right now, they are on the safer side when it comes to the coastal areas. So the weather across British Virgin Islands, across Montserrat, and across St. Kitts and Nevis, maintaining a moderate chance of showers throughout the next couple of days as a result of that wind flow. And as I mentioned, the high surf advisory will be issued for tonight, or from tonight, for Antigua, Barbuda, Anguilla, the British Virgin Islands, St. Kitts and Nevis, as a result of swells coming out of the northeast up to 1.8 to 2.1 meters or 6 to 7 feet. And this is mainly going to be impacting the northern and eastern coastlines. So be on the lookout. The safer areas will be the most sheltered areas towards the south and even towards the southwest. So remember, we are your Leeward Islands and British Virgin Islands Weather Authority. You can continue to follow us on our various social media platforms, also our hotline and website. Thank you for tuning in to today. Continue to have a great day.